Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another Temu! Oh yes, but we've not got one, we've got two, we've got three, we've got four, we've got four. Now not all of these will be featured in one video because there's quite a lot to get through, but as you can see, I can't stop spending on this app. So we're going to kick it off with this one, and then obviously the others will be recorded at a later date. Now, in here we've not got, there's some diamond painting things, there's some other diamond painting things. I do apologise if my voice sounds a bit croaky. I have got some bug at the moment. But the weird thing is it's not a sore throat, but I just feel like very down and, not depressed, but very sort of like there's a bug there. It feels like I'm slowly getting a sore throat, but I'm a bit bunged up. But in here we've got some lovely things. So I'm going to have to get this. Oh. So I'm very excited about this, guys. See, we've got all sorts in here. So I'm going to kick it off with something a little bit different. Some very exciting things in here. But let's kick it off with a diamond painting, seeing as it's a diamond painting channel. Now, you may have known I've recently ventured out into getting these. These things are brilliant because you get a painting with a month of the year written on the side. And I was looking at this and I had to get it, guys. I just had to get it. It is so cute. It's perfect for December. No! Oh, wow. That's come out beautiful. Oh, I like that. We've got all sorts here. The lovely sprinkles. They've used sprinkles here. We've got a gingerbread. We've got a little bow there. Like a, you know, them finger biscuits we get over here. A candy cane, the word December there. And that lovely green border going round with a few presents and a couple of love hearts. And then some tinsel maybe around the cup. That's beautiful. And I had to get it. I'm really getting quite fond of this 20x20 size because I can get so many done. This would probably take me like 4 days to complete. So I had to get that. Absolutely happy with that. And this is the thing with Temu. Like, I'll place an order. I'll place all these different orders, and then they all seem to come all at once. So, so far I've had like one every day so far because they all seem to get loaded to different planes. So in here we have. Oh, look at these. Lovely. So I'm going to work on this for December. We've got a 3865 there probably, but there's a lot of orange been put in there. We've got a terracotta colour, we've got a brown, we've got a purple, we've got a pink, we've got a green, we've got a mauve, we've got a green, we've got a brownie colour, a chocolate brownie colour, a red, a green, a yellow, a grey. By the way, I do apologise if it feels like I'm rushing on talking very quickly. My mum has asked me to go downtown with her to get Teddy's balloons for the party on the weekend. So I've literally got like an hour and a half to film all this. So yeah, so then we got grey and we got green and purple and white and pink. So yeah, I will put that back into there because normally I'll just like do it after, but it's just too much. So if I wrap it up now, it'll save it. So, and we've also got our standard little boat, so I'll put that back in there as well. Now, I'm going to go for something a little bit different now. So, I also, let's have a look what we've got in here. Ooh. So, yeah, why not? Let's go for this. So, I saw this, and it's, you know, Christmas is a special occasion, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to open it up a bit more with different products, just for Christmas. I don't always show things that are non-diamond paint related because I tried to keep it mainly diamond paint only, but I have to show you this, guys. I've had these for years, and what you do, I'm assuming you can keep 100 and 1,500 right. That's dented there. I can see there's a dent in that. You can see there, so I'll have to have a look at that and see what I can do because it's so much hassle to return things. If I do a return, I've got to send them, they want a photo of it to see what's damaged, and then they still want the item back even though it's damaged. How do you work that out? Most companies, you send them a photo and they'll just go like, you know, we'll give you a refund, just dispose of it, but not Temu. But yeah, so the idea is that, as you can see, this is all sealed. So what you would do is you put your pound coins, your pennies, your 20p's, your 10p's, and you put them in there. But where, you know, you would like, if you're like, oh, I'll just dip into that, you can't because it's all sealed. The only way to get into this is you would need a can opener. because that's the only way you can get into it, because it's all sealed. And I think that's really good because it stops you from dipping into your savings, and job done. So I thought I'll get that. And this is going to be called the Diamond Painting Fund. So what I'm going to do is every month from work when I get paid, I'm going to put 20 quid in there, perhaps in coins. And then once we've got a full pack, this will be our DAC pot. So we'll put that towards the Diamond Art Club or any diamond painting company. But the more pricier ones, you know, we're talking like 70 quid a painting. So I thought that was pretty good. So I've got that. And let's go back to another diamond painting now. Oh yes, right. I think Lazy Retired Granny's got this, or Becky Sloan. Because I'm sure Becky was the one who said she had this. But I have got another truck like this. But I saw this again. It was super cute. Look at that. 20 times 20. You've got your little Christmas truck. If you remember, I've got another one where the truck's coming that way and some snow. But this is really good because what's nice about it is we've got a figure. I don't get very many paintings with like an actual human being there. So we've got a little dog. Look, it's so cute. Oh, look at the little dog. Oh man, that is super cute. That's made me chuckle a bit. And then we've got what looks to be the boy. That's probably his son, and he's helping to load the tree into the back of the van. And I think that's probably like a church or something. Really, really gorgeous. 15 colours there. 20 times 20. We've got our standard boat again, as you can see. So I'll pop that back into there. And let's get through the colours now. Now, I have had a couple of Amazon parcels as well, but I don't know who they're from because one's extremely heavy and I don't remember ordering anything. So, but my brother said, when are you next in Whittam? So maybe that's a clue, because he said I've got a late birthday present coming, so maybe. Now, we've got a green, a grey, another grey, a red. That's beautiful. Look at the vibrancy of that. Grey, a purple, a brown, a lilac, and a dark brown. So that's lovely. And then we've also got ourselves this one here. We've got a mauve, a grey, a blue, a lilac, and a mauve. And do you know what, guys? It is lovely to get these paintings. These sizes just fly. They're so quick to do. Right, next thing. Now, as you know, I love key rings. So I came across this, which is rather interesting because I've actually got one that is a prime bottle that is with a key ring. And this is like, oh, that's nice. This is lovely. Yeah, that's plastic. But do you see what it is? You've got yourself like a little key ring. And then you could probably put your keys on there. And then, I don't know what that is, but perhaps that's so that you hold on to it. But I saw that and it's got goal. So I support a team called Manchester United. So, yeah, probably get some football rival fans on here. But yeah, I just thought that was lovely. It's something, I mean, I don't think I put my keys on it. It's more like I would put it on like a rucksack or something with that clip. But I thought that was lovely. And I think that's like a little emoji there, the person with kicking his ball there. But I thought that was lovely. So I'll get that. I'm going to sneeze. Apologies, guys. Okay, so now I've got to save the best thing till last. I'm sorry, but the next thing I got, I love wearing jewellery, and I came across this. So very similar to go for the football theme here. You've got like a little football thing on there. So I thought I'll get that. And yes, I've had problems with this loopy stuff because every so often what happens is all of this where it's tied around there is unravelled and it all comes apart. But we will try. What hand? Oh, look at that. That's like a button. That's like a button. Oh, wow. So what hand do I want it on? I normally wear my watches that hand. So, yeah, let's put it on this one. Oh, I've got big hands. It's not going to fit, guys. Oh, I like this. Now, that's the problem, is you've got to try and pull it with one hand because you haven't got someone here to help you because they're working, so... I'm filming this on the weekends, so it's quite nice because weekends I visit over here to collect all the parcels and I can just get on with filming. So, yeah, it's a... I'll just pull that a little bit more. Oh, I like this. That'll go with that. I got a pirate one that had a skull and crossbone thing on it, because I love pirates. Did I tell you I'm secretly a pirate? I'm not really, but oh my god! Right, it's glow in the dark. Oh wow! Look at that. I think it's glow in the dark, guys. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I like that. It's quite fashionable, isn't it? So, yeah. I mean, it's a bit bulky on the button, but I quite like that. Yeah, so I got that. And then, last but not least, I am really trying to venture away from canvases. I do so many canvases. Now, they're not going to be fit. I'm not going to be stopping the canvases, but I have seen this for quite some time, and my vintage seller sells these as well. So I don't know if she imports from Temu and then is like a sole trader and just sells them on or what. But she was actually charging a lot more, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get them from Temu because they're cheaper and I can cut the postage. And I got these. Now, you know my love for bumblebees. And these are, I was inspired. I want to give a plug to Diamond Paintings with Peta, because Peta really inspired me to get these, because she does an awful lot of these. And what these are, oh, look at that lot. Oh, wow. Okay. These are basically, apparently they're supposed to be wind chimes. So you hang like a little chain on it and it's supposed to glitter. Now, they are double-sided, which is nice. But I just thought it's something a little bit different than canvases all the time. So these were about £5 that I paid for this. So really happy with them. They're not broke. I know a lot of you guys get them and then they're broke. But I think that's mainly other companies like Everyday E-Deals or One Day Savings. We've got ourselves a standard boat. And in here, get the jewels first. I've just seen a massive diamond. Oh my god, wow. Oh wow, not in there, in the pack, I'll show you in a minute. But in here, oh, we got some specials. Look at that. Oh wow, I get super excited when I see specials, they don't come up very often. So we've got this glittering gold, we've got a classic 310 there. And I do believe, Tita, you're going around and saying that there's a 310 sale. Linda told me last night. And talking of which, Tita is sending me another package. Can you believe? I can't believe it. So we'll have to wait and see what we've got there. We've got Peta's parcel here as well. So I'm in the process of filming that. We've got orange. We've got a lilac with silver. Look at these blues. Oh, wow. And then they get bigger silver ones. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, look, we've got some pearls. And blue. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. That's lovely. I wonder if you can get a heart-shaped drill. That would be quite nice. And then, of course, we've got the A here as well. Now, in here, I've just noticed, look at these ginormous drills. So in here, we have... Oh, dear. Coming down with something. It's all this bloody cold weather. Oh, wow. Oh, cute. That's lovely. Oh no, please don't say that's broke. What the hell? Oh, we got a... Oh, right. Okay. Now, there is a little... Yeah, there's like a pin thing here. So I'm assuming you push that in. Oh, look at these. Oh, how posh. Now, knowing Peta, she'll turn them into earrings. But, oh, yes. Yes, this is lovely. And then, I'm not going to get all these out, but you've got some gold chains and then rings and stuff. But that is gorgeous. See, when I'm looking at that, I'm thinking I could turn that into earrings. I could turn it into like a wind chime. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to these. And I think the idea is that you're supposed to... There's like... This is supposed to hang on the bottom. Or maybe it goes on the top. But it's supposed to be like a wind chime thing. So, yeah, I can't show you on my phone because it's charging. But let me see if I can get the... I think my other phone's okay. So, let me see if I can get that up. Yeah, so this is they're basically these. So I paid £5, but it's like a wind chime sort of thing. So yeah, that thing there would go on the bottom like that. So I just thought they were a bit different. So I thought I'm going to get them. So yeah, so I'll put that into there. I'm very excited to get these done actually. So I can't wait to do them. And I love bumblebees. You know, they're so precious. They make our honey for tea and breakfast. And that's the end of this haul, guys. But yeah, so do let me know what your favourite is. Is it the bees? Is it the tin? Is it the keyring? As I say, I do try to keep it diamond paint related, but it's difficult when you see all these lovely things. And then we've got the 2 paintings, 2 lovely Christmassy ones. We're really going to push as many Christmas diamond paintings out as we possibly can. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. It really is much appreciated. And get spending on Temu today if you haven't. I know there's a lot of rumours that Temu is supposed to be this... they're supposed to be like a scam, but they're really not. You know, if it was a scam, you wouldn't get your products. So just ignore any of that, what's going around at the moment. But Temu is a wonderful company. Do shop with them. They are absolutely beautiful products. And yeah, considering I've never done something like that before. I mean, I've done coasters, but yeah, I'm itching to get into that. And just the fact they're double-sided as well. And I've just seen this like H going around there, so I don't know what that is. But look at that. That blue gem, bang smack in the middle. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.